Right, so we've managed to make it here, I think. I think we have anyway.
It was a challenge.
Yeah, there's lots of canal boats anyway. So we're at Trevor's Basin. Trefor. Plenty of canal boats anyway. There's not much room to get canal boats through, is there? Just have to go down middle of them, by the looks of them. Yes, the canal boats must have come through the middle. Yeah.
It's not faint.
Yeah, there'll all be hire boats. Day boat hire. At least we're on the right side anyway for the towpath. Don't tell me you can't walk along it.
No.
It's chuffing gate. It's gated off. It's gated off. So you're not allowed to walk across it. You can sail across it. Well, that's as far as I'm going to get to the aqueduct. I can't believe that we've paid £3 to park in car park, because you can only pay £3 for a day. And then we find out it's shut. And visitor centre's shut as well. Never mind. So visitor centre's shut as well. Alright, looking forward to walking across that as well. I still can't believe after all these years wanted to come and have a look at it, and you can't even walk across it. I think they must be doing some renovation to it, but never mind. So we've got all them gallons of water. Going across there. Well, that's as much as you're going to see of the aqueduct. I still can't believe it. It's all closed off. We're going to go to Aqueduct Viewpoint. Hopefully this is open. Trouble is, sun's in the wrong position. Oof, midges. Must be warm as midges out. It's an impressive structure, I must admit. Sun's in the wrong place. Try and protect itself behind a tree. It's as much as we can see of it. Right, so that's the best viewpoint I can get from this area anyway. So that's where I wanted to walk across. One of them things. I don't know what to do now. But I walk back to the car. Believe it, all these years I've been wanting to go and have a closer look at it and walk across it. Just our luck. You get quality videos, you know, on this channel. I take you to all these places you can't get to. Never mind. Midges again. Right, we're nearly back to canal. I suppose the only way you can go across it is to rent a canal boat, but they're not renting them at this time of year. There's no day trips. Take it there must be some overflow from canal going down into the river. Everybody's turning up expecting to walk across it. Fortunately, they're not going to get across it. There's some canal boats though. Tempted to go and have a pint in Telford pub. Right, so that should go to the aqueduct. Right, we'll go back to the car and go back to caravan site. Right, so that's a visit to the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct. Whether I've said it right or not, I'm not sure. But we can't walk across it. Visitor centre's closed. And that's the best view I can get of it. So we'll go back to the car.